Hi, my name is Sumon. Thank you so much for visiting our site. The reason why you see this particular page here is that I do not want everyone seeing this information. It's available by invitation only. You see, what's been going on for the past few years is that people have been purchasing and utilizing PLR rights, thinking that's the way to make money. But that is not the way. You see, there's a secret. And in fact, in internet terms, it's an ancient secret of the idea of product licensing. And licensing is one of those things where you can make real income from the comfort of your own home without having to be an expert. It does not require major skills or experience of the product that you will be licensing. Would you like to learn more? If the answer is yes, then here's what you need to do next. Fill in your first name, your primary email address, then click on the button that says Instant Access. And on the very next page, I'll teach you how you can start earning income from product licensing. I'm Sumon, and thank you for watching this video.